If you want to form your LLC quickly and professionally without dealing with complicated paperwork, then this video is for you. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to form your LLC using Tailor Brands. One of the easiest platforms for entrepreneurs who want everything in one place. And the best part? You don't need to be a legal expert. You don't need to figure out complicated state forms, and you definitely don't need to spend thousands on attorneys. Now, if you are serious about turning your idea into a legitimate US business, let's begin. If you haven't signed up for Tailor Brands yet, make sure to use our affiliate link in the video description. And to get started, you need to head over to the top left corner where you can see the option that says Form an LLC. This will forward you to a new page. All I have to do is super simple. The first step is choosing the state where you want to form your LLC. This decision is important because your state determines your filing fees, annual requirements, and compliance rules. Now here's something you definitely need to pay attention to. Each state has different pricing options. The formation fee varies and can fluctuate depending on the state you choose, because some states are more affordable upfront while others have higher initial filing costs or ongoing annual fees. So before moving forward, make sure you are aware of the total cost involved. For example, we're going to be choosing Alabama for now. Click the Get Started. This will forward you to a new page. All I have to do here is super simple. Provide your LLC or business name. For example, we have this. Click the Continue button. Don't worry, if you are not yet decided, you can do so later. For now, we're going to press the Continue to move forward. Now, at this stage, you will be asked an important question. What is your business industry? Now, this might seem simple, but it actually matters a lot, because the reason they're asking is because your industry helps determine what permits and licenses may apply to your business. Different industries have different legal requirements, so choosing the right category ensures you stay compliant from day one. For example, you have like consulting, customer service. Basically, there's a lot that you can choose from, but in our case, that's gonna be entertainment. Click the next button. Don't worry, this information stays private and is only used for guidance. Before you form your LLC, open a bank account, or file any paperwork, it's important to understand your current stage, because what you do next depends on where you are today. So you have 4 options here. Just an idea, you probably have a business concept in your head. Maybe you've written it down. Maybe you've told a few friends about it, but nothing is official yet. All right? So you don't need to rush into forming an LLC. Clarity comes first, so make sure the idea solves a real problem. The second one is taking the first steps. That means you are getting serious. Maybe you have secured your domain name, created social media pages, maybe started building a website, so you're moving from idea to action. This is where you start thinking about structure, not necessarily filing everything yet, but planning how you want your business to operate legally and financially. And of course, the getting ready to launch means your product or service is ready, your branding is done, and you're preparing to accept payments. This is usually the perfect time to form your LLC because you are about to start operating publicly. You want liability protection, business banking, and everything set up properly from day one. So at this stage is about doing things the right way before revenue starts flowing in. And of course, the already in business is something that you might want to consider if you are already making sales, working with clients, maybe you're running ads, generating revenue. And thing is, you haven't formed your LLC yet, this becomes urgent. Operating without a legal entity can expose your personal assets. Formalizing your structure protects you and your business more credible. It's not too late, but the sooner you handle it, all of the better. But if you don't want to deal with all these, you can safely skip that. All right? Now, this question is skippable, but it's here just to personalize the experience and give you the right guidance based on where you are in your journey. Is it going to be your first time or maybe you have experience? You are allowed to choose the answers. Again, there are no wrong answers here. I'm going to click the skip for now. And at this point, you will be asked if how many owners will your LLC have? This part is semi-crucial because it helps prepare your legal paperwork correctly from the start. The number of owners affects how your LLC is structured, taxed, and documented. But don't worry, you can always update this later if things change. So just skip for now if you're not sure. And here, this is going to be an added service from Tailor Brands. So you'll notice that you'll get access to an on-demand master course so you can learn at your own pace anytime. But it doesn't stop there because if you want more personalized support, you'll have the option to complete hands-on activities assigned directly by your coach. Of course, these activities are designed to help you apply what you're learning in real time to your own business. Now, if you don't want it, all right, just click the next button. After that is filling out some information such as your full legal name and of course your mobile number and click the next button. Now that your LLC is officially formed, the next crucial step is getting your EIN. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes. As you may notice, you have the option to handle it yourself. But what we suggest is to click the Help Me Get My EIN because Tailor Brands will handle all of the paperwork and the communication with the ERS for you, saving you time and avoiding mistakes, especially if you are outside of the US or want a smoother experience. Getting assistance is usually the faster and stress-free route. All I have to do now is click the next button. But forming your business is just step one. The real key, keeping your LLC in good standing with the state of Alabama, which I choose earlier. That's where annual compliance comes in. Now you have two options here, similar to the options earlier. Number one is if you want to handle all of the compliance yourself, you can do so. But compliance regulations vary by state, including filing fees, deadlines, and required documents. And of course, depending on the company type and state rules. These filings may be due on your business anniversary or at other designated times. And trust me, I would rather keep my LLC compliant by getting the Tailor Brands offer. Because once your business falls out of good standing, fixing it can cost you time, money, and stress. So click the next button for that. Now, if you want to elevate your professional image and take your business online effortlessly, you might want to try the all-in-one branding toolkit. With this, you can get a domain, create logos, build a website, and an online store and access a full range of essential tools to reach your customers all in one place. But if you don't want the tools, it's okay. But we highly suggest you get this and click the next button. If time is of the essence, you might want to get the expedited processing. With this, your documents can reach the Alabama Secretary of State's office or any state in the US, and in most cases, that's right, 1 day. Compare that to the standard processing time, which is like 14 days. No more waiting around to start building your dream business. And here's the best part. Tailor Brands doesn't just rush your filing, they review every document thoroughly to make sure everything is accurate before submission. This means fewer mistakes, fewer delays, and more momentum for your business. But of course, if you don't want that, it's okay. Just click the second option if you don't rush yourself doing all these. But again, we highly suggest you get the expedited processing. If you don't want to waste time and get your Alabama LLC faster than ever, hit that expedited filing option and start building your business today and click the next button. One key step you don't want to skip is creating an operating agreement. Basically, an operating agreement lets you customize your LLC's rules from ownership structure and profits to management and operational guidelines. By setting your own rules, you minimize future conflicts and avoid relying on default state laws. However, if you want to figure out yourself, you can do it. You can get your operating agreement drafted to fit your business based on the information you provided earlier. But again, I highly suggest you get that operating agreement and click the next button so that you have a clear agreement enhances your credibility with the state and banks, showing that your LLC is fully compliant. And of course, the next step is staying organized, and this is where the formation kit comes in. If you want to look like a true professional from day one, this is a simple but powerful add-on. The formation kit helps you store all your important LLC documents in one place, from your formation paperwork, operating agreement, and tax documents to receipts and other key business records. Instead of you scrambling to find documents later, everything is organized from the very beginning, which is useful if you want to keep hard copies of your legal framework, need to quick access to tax document, and the best part it ships for free, but only through addresses within the United States. Now, if you're fully digital and don't really care about having a professional physical kit, it's okay. You can simply skip that. But again, remember, we highly recommend it for you. Okay, so after that is setting up your business bank account, and the best part, you can open a free business bank account and manage everything in one place, because keeping your business and personal finances separate is extremely important. It keeps your tax records clean, making bookkeeping easier, and of course, protects your LLC's liability status. So from day one, you want to separate those finances immediately. But if you don't want that, it's okay. If you want to skip that, it's all good. But we highly suggest to get a free account. Don't worry, because you'll only pay $0 monthly fees and there's no minimum balance required. That means you can start small and grow at your own pace without worrying about extra banking costs eating into your profits, and click the next button. At this point, I know it can feel overwhelming, but what if you could stay on top of everything straight from your device? This is where the free text notification service comes in. And yes, it's completely free. You can always get real-time alerts about your LLC status, compliance requirements, and even unique offers to help you monitor your business effortlessly. If you don't want it, click the "you will follow up yourself." But again, remember, we highly suggest you get this free service and click the next button. All right, we're almost finished. And this is going to be the breakdown exactly what you need and how much will it cost. So you have the Elite LLC plan covering the expedited processing, annual compliance, operating agreement, online business and branding tools, business coaching program, and you get to have all these for $249, all paid to the Alabama Secretary of State. Keep in mind, these fees can change and the final amount is determined at filing. And of course, if you don't want all these, you can simply turn it off to minimize the cost right here. And all I have to do at this point, once you've reviewed everything here, click the Continue to Payment. Now, you can choose a payment method. Would you like to pay it with credit card or with your PayPal? It's up to you. It's a matter of preferences. But if you want to pay with credit card, click the Continue button. And from here, all I have to do is super simple. Provide all the information needed. Your credit card number, first name and last name, all these information. You want to make sure that everything is correct, because once you've done that, you are ready to launch your business in Alabama with everything set up correctly from day one. So make it happen by clicking the Pay with Card. And that's it. You now know exactly how to form your LLC using Tailor Brands. Quick, simple, and completely hassle-free. Whether you're just starting your business journey or scaling up, Tailor Brands makes the process smooth and stress-free. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit that like button, drop a comment below sharing your experience or questions, And remember to use the affiliate link in the video description to get started with your own LLC today using Tailor Brands. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see your dream business come to life. See you in the next video.